Hi there, I'm Jeanette Lane, and I'm here with creative stamping editor Nikki Gilbert. Hi, Nikki.
Hi, Jeanette.
How are you?
I'm great, thanks. How are you?
Good, good. We've got an exciting video for you today because we're going to be talking all about the latest issue of Creative Stamping, which is issue 60. And it's stunning. I'm so excited about this.
Absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited too. I'm in love with the stamps. Really, really am.
I know. And you know what? Every issue has a great gift, a great stamp set, but this one, just, I don't know, it just calls to me because I really love autumn and
me too. Oh, is autumn your favourite season?
It is. It's definitely
actually mine as well.
Oh, is
and
it?
when I saw this stamp set being created by Kay, or part of it being created by Kay, I just totally fell in love with it. And the creative potential with the stamp set is massive. I love every stamp set we make,
right?
But this stamp set is really special. I'm really excited that we've got the stamps in the corner from hot off the press. They've come all the way from America.
Awesome.
And it's a Halloween theme, which is something we've never done in creative stamping before.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that.
So it's just a little nod. You can also choose to use the bats and the spiders for your own slightly different gothic cards, a little bit alternative. But we do have a fantastic Halloween project section in the magazine this month, which Mel Jess has designed for us, and it's crazy beautiful and really, really inspiring for Halloween party wear, Halloween gifts, that kind of a thing. But like you say, the rest of the plate, it's just autumn, it's beautiful, it's absolutely gorgeous. First of all, I'm delighted that we've got designer Tracy Evans involved with the magazine this time. Tracy has been designing for our sister publications for a long time now, and I asked her if she fancied coming on board and joining us in creative stamping, which she was honoured to do. And she's brought a real contemporary tactile textures, a real different style to the feature that she's done for us.
Right.
So I'm absolutely delighted with the cards that she's made for us. We also have a feature by Jane Roy, who's done some fantastic autumnal masculine makes. This is not just a plate for feminine cards. We've got plenty there to give you access to the autumn. If you go to the Creative Stamping blog, you will find a template to download and make this amazing hat.
Oh, I did not know you could download that. That's really
that
exciting.
Mel Jess has made for us.
It's beautiful.
And it's so simple, but the little hat gift box is fantastic. If you've got grandchildren or children doing things for Halloween, the Halloween projects that we've got in here, they're really, really simple. And Mel makes the best of even the smallest stamps just by decorating invitations and party boxes with the bats and the spider webs.
Fun.
It's really, really gorgeous. I'm absolutely in love with it and so pleased with what she did. I did one little feature in here using a very special paper pack that I found, first edition's Wild at Heart. And you can see on one of the cards at the front that I've used different strips of the papers just to decorate the background, but the stamps worked perfectly. I was really excited when I found papers that had acorns and nuts on it, and I'm doing stamping with acorns and nuts. It's a stamping thing. It's the kind of thing that I knew you'd get it. I knew you'd get it. And then we had a fantastic feature. One of the cards is on the cover of the magazine, using the very, very small elements that Kay designed, berries, leaves, nuts, and making wreaths and arrangements and corners, and really making something special out of the very, very tiny elements.
Yes.
So really, genuinely, we've used pretty much every single stamp that's on the plate this month. I'm so pleased.
Great.
And just to finish, we have a beautiful feature by another of our PMDY winners. Sarah Jane Smallwood-Smith has done a fantastic ink dusting technique feature. Ooh, where she's just been using ink so delicately to create some beautiful silhouette cards, and they really are stylish. And when you look at how the magazine starts, where we've got lots of ink, lots of layers, and then we finish with the simplicity, I really hope that our readers think that there's lots of different styles that they can work on and choose to develop their own stamping skills, because that's what the magazine's about.
Right. And what about the masterclass this issue?
Oh, I love the masterclass. We've got a fantastic masterclass this month from Ingrid Vichova, who's been working with us for such a long time.
She always makes beautiful things.
Always makes beautiful things. And this month she's been working with acetate and showing us different ways of stamping and getting images onto acetate, which is something I love to do, but I don't do it as well as Ingrid. And I have to say, I've learned so much from what she's done. Do you stamp on acetate?
I do, but I'm not very confident. You know what I mean?
I agree. And I think that's the thing. If you're not confident in something, then definitely these kind of features just push you on and encourage you to test yourself and try something new. So I love the acetate stamping feature. So thank you very much, Ingrid.
Gorgeous. Now, if people are interested in subscribing, I know that sometimes there are like special subscription gift offers. Is there anything amazing this time around?
There certainly is, Jeanette. Yeah, this month we've got a WOW heat embossing set, which has got a heat gun. It's got a WOW embossing pad and 6 embossing powders, which is worth £40. And definitely, if you are quite new to stamping or quite new to heat embossing, you can't go wrong with WOW. It's an absolutely fabulous company. I've got more WOW embossing powders than I can count.
It's like really good quality products.
It's super quality products, and it's definitely an incentive to subscribe if you're getting into stamping and you're taking it to the heat embossing stage. Yeah, do it. It's brilliant.
And if you're not quite ready to subscribe yet, no worries, you can still grab the individual issue of Creative Stamping, and there's a few places that you can get that. So you can get that at craftstash.co.uk, warmags.com.
Yep, and you can get it in the supermarkets from the 2nd of August. You can buy it in the craft retailers, and you can also buy it in WH Smith's as well.
Oh, nice. All right. Well, thank you so much, Nikki, for joining me once more, giving us a sneak peek, an exclusive sneak peek at your magazine.
You're very welcome. It's always a real pleasure.
And we'll see you real soon.
Yeah.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.